right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is the wee hours in the morning, and I figure let's go ahead and take some rips in the S650. It's been a long time since I've actually went ahead and taken this car out at night. Very long time. This is the daily driver and we are going to be going ahead and beating on it. Let's go ahead and get the gauges set up. Let's go ahead and get it in the right mode, which is going to be drag strip mode. 26, that's enough gas. And let's go ahead and completely turn off advanced track. If you guys enjoy the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Alrighty. Hold down the windows a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, like when I actually took this car out, I kind of stalled it a little bit. Luckily this car has the clutch assist. It's been a while since I've actually driven this car because the weather has been really inconsistent these past couple days. And on top of that, whenever I do actually go out, it's only when theoretically it's nice outside, so, or nice enough outside, I take the Shelby GT350 out. I completely just kind of forgot how to drive this car, I ain't gonna lie, because it is a lot different than the Shelby GT350. It's been over a week since I actually took the S650 out. I'm gonna do a little hit, see if I still got it. Yeah. The car still rips. Easy to shift. I just love the way this car sounds, man. That's one thing about the S650s they did 100% right. They sound mean. They got that nice deep tone, especially when you go ahead and open it up with an H-pipe. And considering the fact that it is boost weather, the engine oil isn't getting as hot as it normally would be when it was, you know, 90, 100 plus degrees outside. So it's feeling real nice. And that person was kind of tripping, I ain't gonna lie. Like, why were you? I felt like that person was just trying to merge in my lane and whatnot. Bugging out, relax. Whew. Hopefully y'all are having a good productive start to your month, man. It's crazy because like I really only have time to record videos on my car channel like at night. The wee hours in the morning. It's 2:50 in the morning right now, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get some rips in the S650. Or when I'm actually going out and getting groceries. That's literally the only time I'll be recording. Yeah, I just love the way this car sounds. I gotta do an oil change in this car as well. I'm at 3,000 miles right now, so the next time I do go ahead and drive this car, it is gonna be to Ford to pretty much get the oil change. I have the Ford points, so it's essentially free, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and utilize that. Man, dude, it has been a minute since I've driven this car, bro. I love it still. That's the thing. I still love the S650, even though it's literally straight daily driver mode for now. For now. Gonna be stocking up on parts for this car very shortly. I had some wheels and tires for it because I was going to put the GT350 wheels on this car, but I actually sold my Shelby GT350 wheels, the stock wheels, because the offset just wouldn't look right, and obviously I needed tires on those wheels as well because the tires I currently had on those wheels were completely shot. So I was like, you know what, instead of going ahead, getting the wheels pretty much powder coated to the color I wanted, new tires, I'm just gonna get the tires and wheels that I want on this car and just kind of fully commit to the build that I want to do with this vehicle, which is obviously going to be, I guess, essentially the new like roll car, like the Mexico car, because I really do want to go ahead and do that with this car. So I'm just gonna get the full drag pack. I'm not gonna say what drag pack, but this car is gonna be on a drag pack, an actual drag pack with bias plies. Gonna get the headers, and depending on tuning, which realistically should happen within the next, I'd say, like month and a half, if not 2 months, I'm probably just gonna go with the Whipple kit, just because it's the kit you can get the most out of with these vehicles. So that's kind of the plan right now. Just gonna like wait it out as long as I can, and obviously, you know, come mid-January, if tuning is nowhere to be in sight, we're gonna go Whipple, and then once tuning is available, obviously the Whipple will be sold, and then we will go twin turbo, because that's the long-term goal with this car, is to have it twin turbo. So that's what we're gonna be doing with the S650. But until then, we're just gonna be beating on it NA, and it's gonna be the daily driver, which is essentially, you know, what it is right now. That's why I haven't done anything to it, because there really isn't anything to do to it, because I'm doing everything different. I'm not gonna go ahead and do baby steps with this vehicle. Like, quite literally, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this car is gonna go from bone stock to 800 horsepower just overnight. You're gonna see videos, but it's gonna be delivered a little bit differently on the channel. I'm gonna be doing a different approach with this build that I honestly should have done with the Shelby GT350, but we're gonna do it with this vehicle. So once that ball is rolling, it's real gonna be rolling for real. So just putting that out there. This car really will just, it's gonna be a complete transformation very, very, very fast. Woo-hoo-hoo! About to go to my little spot in Mexico. Open her up a little bit.
One eternity later.
All right, so we are entering my spot in Mexico. I saw lightning. It is definitely gonna start raining again soon. Like I said, it is very, very, very inconsistent with the weather out here recently. Do a little test hit. A little third gear roll into it right now. A little 70 roll. Y'all seeing this lightning? God dang, y'all. Shit crazy. Hope I don't get caught in whatever's going on over here, man, because it is insane.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're gonna do one more hit because we are closing in on being at a quarter tank of gas. I underestimated how quickly we can burn through gas in this car. Oh, we got a car up here too. I think it's a truck. It's definitely a truck. Let's do a 60 roll. Rolling out right there, y'all. Shit. God damn, bro. Honestly, these gears are so long, but it just, this car shifts like butter, bro. It shifts like butter with the MT82. Whoa. We ran over something right there. I think that was a piece of wood or something right there. Jesus Christ. Thank God we are not lowered. I don't know what what the hell that was we ran over. I'll get out and check the car when I get to a little gas station spot. But man, like, it's crazy how crisp this car shifts. That's why I need to go ahead and like boost it while I don't have that many miles on it, and I haven't really been abusing it, because like I've been doing hits in this car. You know, we all know, you know, this is my daily, but like it is really fun just to do hits in it, because you know, it makes enough power but not enough to where like you can do a hit here and there, and you know, the car's not gonna get, you know, to like 140 like how the Shelby does as quick. So it's a little bit, quote unquote, I guess, safer, but at the same time, it's like I don't really want to abuse it too bad, because obviously when I go ahead and quite literally double the horsepower, that's going to be a lot of shock on the transmission. I already know the clutch isn't going to last. I think the clutch is probably going to last. Honestly, I'm probably going to upgrade the clutch before I even actually like get the Whipple, or depending on, you know, everything, tuning done to the vehicle, because I really don't even want to chance the stock clutch. I know it's not gonna work. It's probably just gonna mess up completely. I'd give it 2 weeks honestly before it starts to slip. Like one Mexico night, and it's gonna slip after that. You know what I'm saying? Because like I know how it's gonna act. You know, you do a couple back-to-back hits, not even back-to-back, lightning, and it's probably gonna start to get hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with a I know a lot of people like the Vengeance clutches for the MT82s, because it's the same transmission from the Gen 3 MT82 car. So I know the Vengeance clutches are great for this transmission, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and do that with this car, and just pray the transmission can hold up, because again, this car only has 5,000 miles on it in a little over 6 months. Actually, I think it's actually closing in on 7 actually. So definitely want to go ahead and get everything done before I hit, honestly, before I hit like 7,500 miles. I want to get everything done. Whew. Booster for 7,500. That should be possible. Oh, damn, bro. This door almost ran over something. And they're listening to music out here. Oh no, we good. We good. That's just bug guts. Alrighty. Let's get out of here. Hey, that's the plan with the S650. Oh my gosh. I need to get better at launching this car again. Not even launching it, just accelerating from a stop, bro. I'm telling you. Just it is a different feel. I'm so used to the Shelby GT350 clutch. I'm surprised I was able to even bang the gears the way I was. The MT82 in drag mode is nice. Super smooth. Super smooth. Really nice. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the plan for the S650. This car rips. It rips. And it's a blast NA. I don't care anybody says, it's a blast NA. It's not the fastest car, not even close, but it definitely is fun just to get in and drive.